Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to uppercut in Saitama Battlegrounds. Saitama Battlegrounds is a game where mastering combat techniques like the uppercut can give you an edge. Here's what you're going to do. When it comes to basic execution, familiarize yourself with the game's control scheme for executing different moves. Practice the timing required to perform an uppercut effectively during combat. Typically, uppercuts are triggered using specific button combination, such as pressing a direction and an attack button simultaneously. Position your character correctly relative to your opponent to maximize the impact of the uppercut. Utilize the game's training or practice mode to hone your uppercut execution without the pressure of real combat. When it comes to incorporating into gameplay, integrate uppercuts into your combo chains to catch opponents off guard. Plan follow-ups attacks after a successful uppercut to maintain pressure on your opponent. Use uppercuts as a counter-attack when your opponent leaves themselves open. Gauge the distance between you and your opponent to time your uppercut effectively. Anticipate your opponent's movements and action to land a well-timed uppercut. Some characters may have special abilities or enhancements related to uppercuts. Utilize them strategically. Use uppercuts near environmental hazards or objects that can amplify damage. Coordinate with teammates in team-based modes to capitalize on uppercuts for team strategy. Use uppercuts to maneuver opponents into disadvantageous terrain or positions. Fake an attack to bait your opponent into a vulnerable position for an uppercut. And adjust your uppercut strategy based on your opponent's fighting style and tendencies. And that's how to uppercut in Saitama Battlegrounds. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!